On the vlog today, find out why I'm eating cake and french fries. Am I on keto? Am I still on keto? How am I losing weight if I'm eating french fries? All in today's vlog. Hey guys, it is Sonia. Happy Vlogmas and happy Monday. I actually filmed this video yesterday, which would have been Sunday, on the heels of leaving Steel City Con here, where we got to come out and enjoy some fun here with all these other creatives and creative spirits. And I wanted to share with you guys today a little bit about the food I'm going to be eating, because today is a different sort of food vlog. You guys know that we DIY around these parts. We DIY in the kitchen right here on my YouTube channel, cooking up some really good recipes and some yummy stuff. And I have been doing keto, but one thing that you may have heard me mention from time to time is that there was a period where I did keto straight through for months and months and months and months, and I saw tremendous gains in terms of losses and wins for me personally. Now I'm at the point where it's more of, I've done the hard work, now I can maintain, now I can enjoy myself, but a girl likes a challenge and still knows that she has to stay on track. So for me, I do keto now every 30 days straight, and I am absolutely positively devoted to what I eat, making sure I stay in ketosis, which is basically a fat burning state. But you can believe that on day 31, so after every 30 days, and today is day 31, today is Sunday, just the way it falls just works out perfectly today. But on day 31, what I do is I go ahead and I treat myself, and I do a carb up day. I treat myself, and I was determined all month, I stayed on track, and now I get to basically go out and enjoy something that I want. It might be Five Guys and fries again, but instead of a instead of a lettuce wrap, I'm going to treat myself to the actual bun today, or french fries, or the milkshake, and all that other stuff, right? So I'm a big believer in just balance, that you should be happy in life, and that, you know what, if you're doing something that makes you miserable to think that you're going to be on a diet and you have to stay on it for like the rest of your life, and you can't change, and you can't try something new, I don't think that's fun, right? That's a lot of stress, in fact. So, you know what, let's make it easier. Let's set goals for ourselves. So if you want to do like I'm doing, I do 30 days of on the ketogenic diet, and then the day after that I go out and enjoy myself, and I just eat whatever I want to, whatever I want to treat myself to, and then the following day I go back into it. Of course, it does kick me out of ketosis. You guys know that once you eat sugar and you basically switch to the old diet that you had, which is probably where you're eating, you know, pastas and breads or things like that, it takes about 2 to 7 days on average to get back into ketosis, okay? The past 30 days, I have seen major cuts to my body in terms of wins, and I'm definitely lost weight this month. I have not, and inches as well. I have not weighed myself. I'm not concerned with that. I'm more concerned with just about feeling good and just, you know, being the best version of yourself possible. So today is totally a treat day. I'll vlog with you and show you what I end up eating today. We just left this event, and now we're gonna go into the city and find some food, and I think we're gonna go to Hofbrau House. Matt loves Hofbrau House, and it's all German food. It's pretty amazing. I'll share with you guys what it's like inside, and it is one of our favorite spots, that when we do go out to eat, that this is one of the favorite spots. And today I'm splurging. Today I'm splurging. Bring on the carbs, bring on the pretzels, because it's a treat day. So we parked the car, we're heading up now, and I thought this was such a cool view because you can see Pittsburgh right here, known as a city of bridges. I don't know, Matt, how many bridges does it have?
More bridges than any other place in the world. Really? Including Venice, Italy. Yes.
Seriously, that's crazy. And look, there's a cheesecake factory. But we're heading down here to Hofbrau. When I come here, I'm like, I don't know what that is. What is that?
Wurst.
Yeah, and what is that?
Sausage.
And what is that?
Schnitzel.
Everything on here, I gotta read the description to try to figure out what it is. It's like a puzzle. Fresh from the oven, pretzel. Okay, tell me what it is. This is beer dip?
Beer cheese.
Beer cheese dip.
Right.
Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. All right. And that's a mustard. Spicy mustard? Tell me, help me.
Sweet mustard.
Sweet mustard. And
Abatsi.
which is?
It's like a cheese with paprika and garlic and...
Yes, it does have some big chunks into it. Oh yeah. So Matt's trying to figure out what he's gonna have. I want everything.
I want everything.
Matt wants one of everything. I'm gonna do right here the half roasted half chicken.
I'll probably
salad.
Probably have a couple of these.
What's that? Your beer?
dinner. I'm good for 2 or 3 of these.
All right, lunch has arrived. I've got bacon and cabbage fried. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. And roasted chicken. And then Matt, what do you have going on over here?
Jaeger schnitzel.
Jaeger schnitzel.
Nah, I got a schnitzel.
This is so good.
Potato salad. This is quite possibly, not quite possibly, I know, this is the greatest sauerkraut in the world. Even those who don't like sauerkraut like this.
Oh my gosh, and to top it all off, we have, what do you call this, Matt?
Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte.
What he said, yeah, what he said. Black forest goodness, cherries, yum. And then we have, this is what? The Bavarian cream puff. Look at it, people, look at it, because it's about to be gone. It's about to be gone. Hey,
Tired
hey,
looking
hey,
at it. No,
hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm eating.
Oh, so good! So it's Monday now, and I'm getting ready to go into my coaching group shortly. Again, doing my brain power today, and I am not going to end this full 24-hour period without having some Chick-fil-A. But I will tell you, it's kind of hard that when you do get to, it's exciting to think about when you get to your cheat day, your strategic cheat day. That's what's most important. But to think about, what do I want in that full 24-hour period that I want to indulge in? So today I was like, oh man, I was debating all kinds of stuff. Like, do I want Wendy's? Do I want Five Guys and fries again? Because if you haven't figured that out yet, I'm a lover. And so anyway, Matt was like, why don't you do a milkshake from Chick-fil-A? Because I was kind of in a milkshake and fries, you know, that sweet and salty kind of mood. And so anyway, he just got back. Oh yeah. I think I prefer Chick-fil-A milkshakes over Wendy's milkshakes. Even though I just learned a few months ago about the whole frosty and fry thing, I think these guys have better milkshakes. All right, now I'm gonna become a milkshake connoisseur. So next up, we're gonna do my chicken burger. Oh. So apparently there's some like thing where what Chick-fil-A does is they soak their chicken in pickle juice. And I just love Chick-fil-A. I love everything about Chick-fil-A. I don't think there's anything on the menu that I don't do. There's the little pickle that likes to hide. You know the whole frosty and fry thing? Does it work for Chick-fil-A patch fries? Love these things too. This is really satisfying today. It's a funny story about yesterday. You guys saw all the footage from the Steel City Con that I attended. It was a blast. It was funny because I was reminded while I was there, I saw Jeffrey the Giraffe. Who remembers Jeffrey the Giraffe from Toys R Us? Well, I kid you not, every time I see him, I always think about how the time he used to call me regularly when I worked in the corporate world and I was given a BlackBerry, and I had it for several years. Of course, they give you a phone number as well. And I'm assuming that at some point somebody went into Toys R Us and they signed up for Jeffrey the Giraffe to give them like birthday calls every year on their birthday, but they must have transcribed the digits because it actually was my phone number. And so I would get the call every single year from Jeffrey the Giraffe. And I just remember those phone calls. Ooh, the cookies are ready. Kate made cookies this week in the shop, and I didn't get to indulge this week, but today's my day. So I've got a few scoops of raw cookie dough in the oven, and I think they're about done, which I'm super excited to taste test those today, finally. But Jeffrey the Giraffe used to call me every year, and I remember I picked up the phone one day to answer my phone, my business phone, and it was like, hey, 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 Sonia, it's your birthday. It's Jeffrey the Giraffe calling you to wish you a happy birthday. And I just remember that, you know, it's kind of sad. I won't get any more of his, hey, 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 Sonias. But it kind of like when I answered the phone and I realized who it was, it made me chuckle. And I never, ever stopped. Like I never, ever took the, you know, banned the call.
And every year for years, Jeffrey would call me on my BlackBerry, and it was always funny, and it would give me a smile in the middle of the day when I realized, like, oh yeah, that's right, he called me. Funny times. And some poor kid was probably disappointed because he didn't get the call. So while we were chit-chatting, I forgot to take my cookies out. I turned the timer off, but not the actual oven. These are s'mores chocolate chip cookies, and yes, I burnt them, but I'm not above a burnt cookie. Lunch was amazing and terrific and all that jazz. It was worth the wait. I will tell you that when you set yourself a goal to do 30 days of keto and then do your one day of just enjoying whatever you want to enjoy, all that carb-filled stuff, that yumminess, the fried stuff, the breaded stuff, whatever that you've been missing, the more you do that, the more you also begin to see the difference between how you feel when you do that style, meaning like keto-based versus more breaded things and fried things. And so the more I do this, like the more I realize I have my 24 hours of fill, but I find myself missing my keto again. So I'm excited to start back on that because my 24 hours are now up. So guys, it is the time of my vlog where I get to announce the winner from yesterday. You guys know here on Vlogmas, I am vlogging 25 days straight, right all the way up until Christmas Day. And each one of those days, I'm giving away a gift of some sort from around these parts. So yesterday, I put up $20 in banana bucks for grabs, and I've got my handy dandy winner right here. The winner is 4 hours ago. She wrote on my YouTube channel. Her name is Willanette Kelly. Willanette, you are my girl today. She says, I love the road trip and smiley face. What will we be doing next? Who knows, but I cannot positively wait with a happy face and some sunglasses. Just dropping you some banana love and a whole bunch of bananas. So I love that. Thank you, Willanette, for taking the time to comment on my channel. I'm gonna throw $20 in banana bucks your way, but to claim them, what you have to do is make sure you email me within 24 hours as of the timestamp of this video of when it's posted here on YouTube, and email me at junkmonkeypain@gmail.com. Put winner winner in the subject line so I can get back to you. So I will be waiting for your email, Willanette. As of today, what will I give away? Well, I'm feeling the banana bucks. I think it's fun when I do banana bucks because that way you guys get to pick something from our website that you want to play with. So there is another $20 of banana bucks up for grabs as of my gift for you for today. All you have to do, you guys know what you have to do by now, right? Is make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a big old like, and give me a comment below. Just talk back to me. I love knowing that you guys are there, and I love your positive words. So with that, I will be off. I'm going to edit this video, get it up, and stay tuned tomorrow as well. Tomorrow we're going to be painting some furniture, so it's going to be a fun vlog over there too. But for me, it's time to clean up my mess and get back on that keto train. You know what I'm talking about? All right, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.